have one of these Brook fuel filters. It's pretty much new, but from lack of use, here's the element that goes inside that actually filters the fuel. From the lack of use and drying out, a little bit of varnish built up in the pores of this. So the flow became quite less through the filter, which in turn made the motor struggle from lack of gas. So I picked up some carb cleaner, and it says on the can that it basically removes, let's see the English side here, where does it say it? There you go, varnish. So what I did was I squirted some of it in a glass jar with a lid. Then I put the element inside the glass jar and put the lid back on top so it don't evaporate. And then I tipped it up and let it soak. So far it's been 4 days soaking in that, and every now and then I'll do a turnabout like that. To make it become varnish free basically and flow like it's supposed to. Then I'll insert it back into the filter and put it back in line. Good way of removing varnish from inside them pores. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not, and thank you very much for those that already have.